In a world where steel is worn, where time is short, and the odds are stacked higher than a mountain.
Rigby, I got a job for you.
That's a pretty big job.
Think your team can handle it? We're on it.
One machine stands alone, silent, and left for dead.
This is not a rebuild, it's a resurrection.
This summer,
you got 7 days.
Who's this guy?
one company answers the call.
What is it going to take to get this done?
We got to bring in the best of the best from all locations.
It's me, calling in a favor.
Hey, Chris. I'm in. Can we get coffee and breakfast?
Hey guys, Foley just asked us to save the ice again. Who's with me?
Hell yeah, we're in.
When do we start? You think there'll be overtime pay?
They got one request. They never want to pay for coffee. Ever.
When the parts are delayed.
Are you kidding me? I needed those parts yesterday.
Move, out of the way!
The doubt grows louder.
The fate of the company depends on it.
Guys, we need to stick to the plan here on this one, all right?
Every setback threatens to tear them apart.
Looks like the plan changed.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Woo-hoo! You know that's bad.
Tell me you never let anyone down before. I haven't quit yet. How's that?
All right, team. This is what we trained for.
Hey, RJ, glasses.
And pride weighs heavy.
Guys, it's not about your pride. It's about finishing what we started.
Let's do this!
They'll fight rust.
These bullets are shot.
They'll fight time.
I would start praying if I were you.
They'll fight each other.
Ooh, donuts! Come on, who ate them all?
When everyone is counting them out, they can only count on each other. Some say it can't be done.
There's nothing left in the budget, just get it done.
What part do you need now? I'll take them all.
They say, watch us.
You don't have to worry about me and my team. We'll get the job done.
When the engine turns,
Fire it up.
the heart of iron thunders again.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about.
It will be their finest hour, and legends will be forged in diesel and sweat. When the impossible needs rebuilding, it's time to call on the Dependables.